Welcome back to BitcoinDorks. Today, we're diving into some recent news about the SEC and its stance on cryptocurrencies. So, let's get started. Recently, there's been speculation swirling around the crypto community about the SEC harboring an anti-crypto agenda. However, a former SEC staff lawyer has stepped forward to dispel these rumors, affirming that there is no such agenda within the regulatory body. According to the former staff lawyer, who wishes to remain anonymous, the SEC's primary focus is on enforcing existing securities laws and regulations to protect investors and maintain market integrity. While the SEC does scrutinize certain aspects of the crypto industry, such as initial coin offerings, ECOs, and token sales, this does not equate to an anti-crypto stance. In fact, the former staff lawyer asserts that the SEC is actively working to understand and regulate the crypto space in a fair and balanced manner. Rather than targeting cryptocurrencies as a whole, the SEC is primarily concerned with addressing fraudulent activities and ensuring compliance with existing securities laws. This clarification from a former insider sheds light on the SEC's approach to crypto regulation and helps to dispel some of the misconceptions and fears within the crypto community. While regulatory uncertainty remains a concern for many crypto investors and enthusiasts, it's essential to recognize that the SEC's intentions are not necessarily hostile towards cryptocurrencies. Additionally, the former staff lawyer emphasized the paramount importance of engaging with regulators and policymakers to foster constructive dialogue and develop regulations that strike a delicate balance between fostering innovation and safeguarding investors' interests. In the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrencies, effective regulation is crucial to ensure market integrity, protect investors, and foster innovation. By actively engaging in open and transparent communication with industry stakeholders, regulators such as the SEC can glean invaluable insights into the intricacies and nuances of the crypto space. This dialogue serves as a two-way street, facilitating a meaningful exchange of information and perspectives that is essential for informed decision-making and effective regulation. On one hand, regulators benefit from this dialogue by gaining a deeper understanding of the unique characteristics and dynamics of cryptocurrencies. The crypto landscape is incredibly diverse and rapidly evolving, encompassing a wide array of assets, technologies, and use cases. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Each aspect of the crypto ecosystem presents its own set of opportunities, challenges, and regulatory considerations. On the other hand, industry participants benefit from this dialogue by having the opportunity to voice their concerns, provide feedback, and contribute to the regulatory process. Cryptocurrency projects, exchanges, investors, and other stakeholders often possess valuable expertise and perspectives that can inform and enrich the regulatory discourse. In recognizing the multifaceted nature of cryptocurrencies, regulators must move away from a one-size-fits-all regulatory approach and instead adopt a more nuanced and tailored approach to regulation. Cryptocurrencies encompass a diverse array of assets, technologies, and use cases. Ranging from decentralized finance, DeFi, platforms and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to blockchain-based supply chain solutions and digital identity systems. Each of these use cases presents its own set of opportunities, challenges, and risks that must be carefully considered in the regulatory process. To effectively regulate the crypto space, regulators must possess a deep and nuanced understanding of the underlying technology and its potential implications for various sectors of the economy. This requires ongoing education, collaboration, and dialogue with experts from both within and outside the industry. By leveraging the expertise of technologists, economists, legal scholars, and industry practitioners, regulators can gain valuable insights into the complex interplay between technology, finance, and regulation. Regulators must remain vigilant in monitoring emerging trends and developments within the crypto space to ensure that regulations remain relevant and effective. The pace of innovation in the crypto industry is rapid, with new technologies, products, and business models constantly being introduced. As such, regulators must adopt a proactive and adaptive approach to regulation, capable of keeping pace with the evolving nature of the crypto landscape. Effective regulation of the crypto space requires collaboration and coordination among regulators at both the national and international levels. Cryptocurrencies operate in a global, borderless environment, making it imperative for regulators to work together to develop consistent and harmonized regulatory frameworks. This collaboration not only enhances regulatory clarity and certainty for market participants but also helps to mitigate regulatory arbitrage and systemic risks. Collaboration between regulators and industry stakeholders can help identify potential regulatory gaps or areas of ambiguity that need to be addressed. This collaborative approach also helps to ensure that regulations are effective, practical, and adaptable to the rapidly evolving crypto landscape. Engaging with regulators and policymakers allows industry stakeholders to advocate for sensible regulations that support innovation while safeguarding investors' interests. By providing policymakers with first-hand knowledge and expertise, industry participants can help shape regulations that strike an appropriate balance between fostering innovation and mitigating risks. This proactive engagement is essential to ensure that regulations are not overly burdensome or stifling to innovation, while still providing adequate protection for investors and consumers. Ultimately, the goal of regulatory engagement is to create a regulatory environment that fosters innovation, encourages responsible behavior, and protects investors and consumers. By working collaboratively with industry stakeholders, regulators can develop regulations that are effective, balanced, and responsive to the needs of the rapidly evolving crypto industry. This collaborative approach is essential to ensure that cryptocurrencies can continue to thrive and innovate while operating within a framework that promotes trust, transparency, and stability. In conclusion, open and transparent communication between regulators and industry stakeholders is essential for shaping nuanced and effective crypto regulations. By fostering dialogue, collaboration, and mutual understanding, regulators can develop regulatory frameworks that strike a balance between promoting innovation and safeguarding investor protection and market integrity. This collaborative approach is key to ensuring that the crypto industry can continue to thrive and innovate within a framework of trust, transparency, and accountability. That's a wrap for today's video. Until next time.